What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as I try to post videos every week. So I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. So what I did was I took a cruise to Yarnell, Arizona, and on the trip there's a decent amount of curves and turns. So I took a little spirited drive on the way and I wanted to share that video with you guys. So maybe the next time I go, I'll be able to grab a few buddies and we can go and cruise together. That way I can get some video of like outside the car. This was my first time in the area, so I wasn't too familiar with the roads and like the conditions and all that stuff. So, but all in all, I think it was pretty legit. It was pretty fun. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A couple things to note. I need to roll my front fenders still because I was definitely rubbing in the turns. Also, I should probably adjust the dampening as well. If you guys actually live in the valley or in the surrounding areas, if you know of any other areas that I could go for some quote unquote spirited drives, let me know in the comments because I'd love to check them out. But once again, subscribe for weekly videos. I appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.